Local organizations are taking in pets affected by Hurricane Helene and helping them find a loving home. The animals were flown in from a shelter that needed to be cleared out for pets displaced from their homes after the hurricane. Several organizations welcome the pets, including the SPCA serving Erie County, who's taken in 8 dogs and 5 cats.
Once we know a little bit more about those animals that we're receiving, we'll be able to put them up for adoption and educate potential new adopters on the specific animals.
The SBA is thanking recent adopters who took part in a recent 4-day adoption special, which connected almost 70 animals with new owners, clearing room for these pets in need.